Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to show you how you can easily make cream cheese at home with only 2 ingredients. So let's get started. So we need 4 cups of full cream milk. Now remember this, it should be full fat milk, not low fat, not skim, or soy milk, or whatever, because the fuller the milk fat, the more curds you can actually get for your cream cheese. Remember that, it's really important. You can multiply this recipe on how much cream cheese you will need. This recipe yields 8 ounces or 1 cup of cream cheese. Turn on the heat into medium-high heat. We just want this milk to come into simmer. You should keep an eye on it because it boils fast and it burns easily. Then stir the milk when it starts to simmer. Turn the fire into medium-low heat, then gradually add in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you don't have lemon in your area, you may also use 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice at a time, then stir it again. So as you can see, it's starting to curdle. Then add again another 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, then stir again. These white lumps is actually the cream cheese. So now I'm just gonna turn off the heat, and now we're going to get ready to strain this liquid off to separate the curds from the whey. Then lay over some cheesecloth. It's really fine and it catches all the curds. Now if you don't have this cheesecloth, you may also use a clean cotton fabric. Then pour in the mixture, then let it cool down for a minute, and let all the liquids to drip away for at least 15 minutes. Then gently squeeze it to remove the excess whey. So we're going to add this in the food processor or blender because this doesn't look cream cheese yet. That's why we have to process it to make it nice and creamy. If you find your cream cheese a little bit thicker and you want to loosen up a little bit, feel free to add in a little bit of whey. So this was the liquid that we actually took away from the curds. So I added mine 1 tablespoon. So as you can see, it's not yet smooth. I will add again another 1 tablespoon. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt to add a little flavor. So at this point, you can also add different flavors or herbs or whatever you like. So now as you can see, my cream cheese is already smooth and creamy. So my cream cheese is done. Time to transfer it in a container. This whey should not be thrown away if you don't want to. It works well for marinades because the acids from the milk and the lemon will actually break down your meat really well. So now, here's my homemade cream cheese. This will last in the fridge for 7 days. Just remember, the better quality of milk you used, the better cream cheese you will have. This is best to use for sandwich spread or cake frosting, and it is also one of the ingredients in making the famous and delicious cheesecakes.